Alright, today we are going to learn to convert fraction to decimal. Okay? So the first one, we are going to convert 7 out of 10 into a decimal. Now when you're converting to decimal, what must you remember to take note of? From fraction to decimal, best friend. Okay, so who are the best friends? 10, 100 and 1000. Means that all your denominator of the fraction must be 10, 100 or 1000. Then you can convert into a decimal. So ask yourself, this fraction, can you convert into a decimal straight away?
Yes.
Why? The denominator is already a 10. Good. Okay, so from 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 means what? 7 tenths. Okay, so 7 tenths. How to write 7 tenths as a decimal?
0.7.
Okay, if you don't know, what can you do? Draw your place value chart. So your place value chart is 7 tenths. You will stop at which place value?
10.
So you draw your ones and then your tenths. Decimal point after the ones place. Okay. Now, so where will you put the 7? It says 7 tenths. 7 tenths. So where you put your 7? At the tenths place. And how about here? The ones eh? What must you put there?
0.
Yes, you must put 0 as the placeholder. Okay. So what's the answer? 0.7. Okay. Next question. 8 out of 25. Now what must I do? Can I convert straight to a decimal?
No.
Why not?
Because
What do we look at? The denominator. The denominators are what? 25. Can you convert to decimal? No. Okay, so what am I going to convert my denominator into? Is it, can I convert into 10? No. Then? Yellow. Then? 100. Okay, let's try 100. So if I convert to 100, so the question to ask yourself is, from 25, how to get to 100? So times what? Times 4. Okay, bottom times 4, top also times? 8 times 4 is? 32. Okay, so 32. 32 out of 100 is the same as what? 32 hundredths. Okay, 32 hundredths. If you don't know, you draw your place value chart. Okay, so your place value stop at where? So you start with your ones, then stop at tenths. Stop at your hundredths, because we are talking about hundredths. Okay, we are talking about hundreds, so we stop at the hundreds. Okay, decimal point after the ones place. Now, where do I put my 32 hundredths? Can I fit two numbers here in the 3200? No. Then what? Because your 3 will be, your 3 is your 30 hundredths, right? And it can be regrouped into? Yes, as 3 tenths. So it should be, your 2 is at your hundredths and your tenths is at your 3. So 3 tenths and 2 hundredths is the same as 32 hundredths. I repeat, 3 tenths, 2 hundredths is the same as 32 hundredths. Right? 32 hundredths. Okay? Now, what must you put at the ones place? 0 as your placeholder. Okay? Now, so it's equals to what?
0.3.
Can you see your answer pops out immediately? Yes? Okay? Next. Let's try the next one. Okay, next. 4 whole and 1/4. So how? What do I need to do? Why must do I operation? How come this one need to do I operation and these two don't need? These two got no whole number, right? But this one there's a whole number. Okay, so we need to split and take out by whole number. Okay, so we split into what and what? Okay, 4 and 1 out of 4. Then now what do I need to do? Can I change immediately? Why cannot? The denominator is not? Good. So what must I do? Change into what denominator?
100.
4 you change into? Can 4 change into 10? So change only can change into 100, right? So question is from 4 how to get to 100. So from 4 how to get to 100? 10 is 25. So bottom times 25, top also times? So this is 25 out of 100. So 25 out of 100 is the same as what? 25? 25 hundredths. And 25 hundredths is what? Is equals to? 0.25. Okay, now, one. Am I done? What must I do? The lights. Okay, then. Okay, then now what must I do? Okay, close your eye operation. And take what values? Take the old value or the new value? You take the old value 1/4? Then? We are converting to decimal, so which value must you take? The 4 and the? Okay, so I'll take my 4 plus my 0.25 equals to? This is your ones place, right? So ones place will add your ones place. What do you get? 4.25. Okay, 4.25. Can? Easy? Okay, last one. Sorry. Okay, next one. Your 2 whole and 1 out of 20. Let me shift it a bit. Okay, 2 whole and 1 out of 20. How? What should I do? Why? Why must split your eye operation? Okay, there's a whole number. So I split into what and what? 2 whole and 1 out of 20. Okay, then now what do I need to do next? What is the best friend of 20? 100. Okay, so what's the question you need to ask yourself? From? Okay, so how to get there? What must you do? Okay, bottom times 5. Okay, 1 times 5 gives me? So 500. 500 is the same as what? You sure? Don't know, you draw your place value chart lor. You start with your ones, then followed by your what? Okay, sorry, what did I miss out? 5 out of 100 is equals to 5? 5 hundredths. Okay, draw your place value chart. Ones, tens, and stop at what? Hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, and hundreds, right? Decimal point after the ones place. Okay? Ones, tens, and hundreds. Now what? How to put 500s? 500s put where? At the hundreds place here, right? Put here. And you put your number 5 here. Okay? So it's 5. Is this 500s? Yes, 500s. Then now what? What's next? You must put a 0 at the tens and a? Yes, they must all have their placeholders. Okay, so what's the answer? 0.0. Am I done? What must I do? Okay, so what do you take? 2 plus 0.05 equals to? Easy? Can? Okay? Good.